A poison package can be published, proposed by an update bot, and running inside CI before lunch. GitHub's answer sounds backward. For ordinary updates, Dependabot now waits 3 days. That delay is not dead time. It gives maintainers, researchers, and scanners a chance to catch a bad release before automation proposes it. Security updates take the fast lane and do not wait behind this default cooldown. We will follow one fictional package through 3 gates. When an update becomes eligible, whether an old release can gain new files, and what code an install is allowed to run. First, the misconception. A lockfile records the version and files your resolver selected. It does not decide when a brand new version becomes eligible for adoption. A cooldown adds time before the update pull request appears. It filters the opening rush, not the package itself. Dependabot's default applies to ordinary version updates on github.com across its supported ecosystems. A candidate release must have been available on the registry for at least 3 days before Dependabot opens the pull request. Projects can tune the delay in dependabot.yml. Why 3 days? GitHub points to Poison Chalk, Debug, and related NPM releases that stayed live for roughly 2 hours. Instant automation had time to grab them. A 3-day gate would have outlasted that short exposure window. The second gate protects release history. PyPI now rejects new files for a release once it is older than 14 days. So if a publishing token is stolen later, an attacker cannot use that upload path to quietly append a poison wheel to an old, trusted version. Existing files do not become trustworthy by magic. The third gate controls execution. NPM announced that version 12 will default lifecycle scripts, Git dependencies, and remote URL dependencies to opt-in. Teams approve the packages that genuinely need scripts, and NPM writes that decision to package.json for review. The cited notice estimated a July release. This script does not assume every environment has v12 today. Now follow AcmeLib 4.2.0, a fictional example. On Monday at 9, a compromised publisher adds a credential-stealing post-install script. Old automation might propose it immediately. With the default cooldown, the ordinary Dependabot pull request is not eligible until Thursday at 9. If the release is removed on Monday, the proposal never appears. Change one fact: version 4.2.0 fixes a disclosed vulnerability. Dependabot's security update path stays immediate. Or imagine an attacker tries to add a new wheel to a PyPI release older than 14 days. PyPI rejects it. If poison code still reaches an npm v12 install under the announced defaults, an unapproved lifecycle script does not run automatically. Here is the useful mental model. The lockfile pins what you selected. The cooldown changes when you select it. PyPI's cutoff limits what can appear later under an old release. The script allow list limits what installation may execute. None of these gates detects malware. A quiet backdoor can wait 3 days. Manual installs and other bots may bypass Dependabot's delay. Script approval can also break legitimate native builds until the team reviews what must run. Google's July 31st guidance groups these as complementary guardrails. Keep the 3-day gate, keep security updates fast, pin dependencies, review install scripts, and treat package age as a signal rather than proof. Use the dependency intake checklist in the description and subscribe for more mechanism-first security explainers.